Aptera Motors, the company redefining the future of solar mobility, has reached a groundbreaking milestone in its journey towards sustainable transportation. The company announced that its Class B common stock has been approved for listing on the NASDAQ Capital Market, one of the world's most prestigious stock exchanges. Trading is expected to begin on October 16, 2025, under the ticker symbol SEV. To celebrate this achievement, Aptera's leadership team will ring the NASDAQ closing bell on the same day, a symbolic moment that marks their official entry into the public market. It's a proud day, not only for the company, but for everyone who believes in the future of clean energy and innovation. For those who may not be familiar, Aptera Motors is a solar mobility company based in Carlsbad, California, on a mission to change the way we think about transportation. Their revolutionary solar electric vehicle combines aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and advanced solar technology to achieve levels of efficiency that have never been seen before. The company's vision is to create a car so efficient it can travel up to 1,000 miles on a single charge, while also adding up to 40 miles of range per day from solar energy alone. For many drivers, that could mean never having to plug in again. Aptera was founded by Chris Anthony and Steve Fambro, two innovators who believe that true energy independence is possible. They've spent years developing a vehicle that looks like it belongs in the future. A sleek, three-wheeled design that glides through air with minimal resistance. Everything about it, from its shape to its materials, is engineered for maximum efficiency. In the company's announcement, co-CEO Chris Anthony called the NASDAQ listing a pivotal chapter in Aptera's story. He described it as a reflection of the team's dedication and the passion of their global community. He said, "We believe this step will help us accelerate our mission to deliver a solar-powered future and support the continued development of our first production vehicle for our reservation holders." Co-CEO Steve Fambro added, "Our transition to a public company is intended to empower us to scale our operations and advance the cause of solar mobility. We're building more than just a car. We're building a movement, and this is a critical step in bringing true energy freedom to the world." That phrase, energy freedom, perfectly captures what Aptera represents. It's not just about creating another electric car. It's about creating a future where people can drive powered by the sun, without worrying about rising fuel costs, limited charging stations, or dependence on the grid. It's about independence, sustainability, and innovation coming together. Listing on NASDAQ is a big step for any company, but for a startup like Aptera, it's transformational. Going public opens the door to new investment, broader visibility, and increased credibility in the global marketplace. It provides the financial foundation to scale production, build manufacturing facilities, and deliver vehicles to the thousands of customers who've been waiting for this moment. It also means more transparency, more accountability, and more opportunity to share their story with the world. Aptera's car is not just efficient, it's revolutionary. With solar panels integrated directly into the body, the vehicle can recharge itself throughout the day. Depending on your location and how much sunlight you get, you might go weeks or even months without needing to plug in. The car's lightweight body and aerodynamic shape allow it to cut through the air with almost no resistance, making it one of the most energy-efficient vehicles ever created. Beyond the technology, Aptera is built on values. As a public benefit corporation, the company is legally committed to creating a positive impact for both the environment and its stakeholders. That means sustainability isn't just a goal, it's a core part of their identity. This announcement also included a note of caution, a reminder that Aptera's plans involve forward-looking statements. The company acknowledged that while they're optimistic about their NASDAQ listing and their path ahead, there are still challenges and risks along the way. These details are outlined in their registration statement on Form S-1, filed with the SEC in August 2025 and declared effective on September 30th. Bringing a new kind of vehicle to market is no small task. From setting up production facilities to navigating regulations and ensuring quality at scale, Aptera faces many of the same challenges that every automaker does, and a few unique ones too. But what sets them apart is their community. Thousands of early supporters have backed Aptera's mission through crowdfunding, pre-orders, and advocacy. It's a passionate movement of people who want to see the world embrace solar mobility. Aptera's NASDAQ debut represents more than just a financial achievement. It's a statement, proof that clean, renewable transportation is not only possible but practical and desirable. This move puts Aptera on a global stage, where innovation meets opportunity. If Aptera succeeds, it could spark a ripple effect across the automotive industry. Imagine a world where cars, delivery vehicles, and even public transport systems generate their own energy from sunlight. Fewer emissions, less dependency on fossil fuels, and a cleaner planet for everyone. That's the vision Aptera is chasing, and it's closer than ever before. On October 16, 2025, when the Aptera team rings the NASDAQ closing bell, it won't just be the sound of a stock listing, it'll be the sound of innovation meeting reality, the sound of years of hard work, belief, and persistence coming to life. From a small team in California to a publicly traded company leading the charge towards solar-powered mobility, Aptera's journey is an inspiring reminder of what's possible when vision meets determination. This isn't just about cars, it's about changing the way we move, the way we use energy, and the way we think about our planet. Aptera's mission goes beyond transportation. It's about freedom, sustainability, and the belief that the sun can power our future. So as Aptera takes this next step, the world will be watching. Because this isn't just a company going public. It's the birth of a movement, one that could redefine how we live, how we travel, and how we power the world. Aptera isn't just building a car. They're building the future.